Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check RAM on your Samsung phone. Now let's get started. First, open your Samsung phone and after this, in here you just click on the setting. Click on it. And now after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see apps. This one, apps, you just click on it. I'm sorry, not from apps but from battery and device care, so you just click on it. And now in here you can see this is your RAM and this is the storage. Okay, so that's how to check RAM on your Samsung phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.